Hey guys, Kevin here and welcome back to the channel. And today we are in my garage because I forgot to film during our trail day. Today's video guys, we have a special guest. His name is Kuya Jeff from Whatzs Productions. So if you guys are into overlanding, and you've probably seen his channel. But I'm very excited guys, we're going to be exploring the railroad abandoned bridge. We're going to be coming from the Red Canyon via the 10 freeway. So Red Canyon to the Broadshot Trail and finally ending up in this bridge. So I heard it's a very easy trail, so we'll find out. So I hope you guys stay tuned and I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Whatzs Productions. You're getting shy. On the front, yeah. For the brown and khaki color. He's already.
And then Ron make a comment. Kuya, that's not part of our thing.
Everybody know each other, right? We're good? Everybody know each other? Okay, I think so. Okay, so lead will be Rick and Lee. Okay. Rick, you take first five. You take the second five. And me and Jeff will be floating around and filming.
So we got the two, one, second. Don't worry, I'm in the fort. I'll try and keep up.
Lee is taking in charge. Go. And we have group 1 over there. All right, let me see what's going on. Everybody just finished airing down and should be ready to go.
Manual air down.
Manual air down.
First step, get a key and just poke it. Oh, my fingers already getting numb because the air is really hot though.
Yes, gamit ko baton na nakita ko si Kuya sa susi.
Oh my god. 20, diba? And then
20.
Because the air right now is kind of like 50 or 60 psi.
Oh,
So it takes me a long time to air down this one. I have no idea.
The Red Canyon Jeep Trail to the Broadshot Trail is rated as an easy trail that is located in Southern California. Our group started from the Interstate 10 just south of Jericho Summit. The beginning of the trail is mainly dirt road. You can tell that this road is very well maintained, just easy washboard roads. There's a few steep inclines coming up, but it's very minor. Any 4-wheel drive should be able to do this without any problem. This trail is suited for new off-roaders who are looking to get some dirt experience. So everyone in the group today is driving a 4x4 vehicle except for Kuya Jeff. He's driving a Toyota Rav4, which is an all-wheel drive vehicle, but this Rav4 is equipped with 3.5-inch lift kit and a 31.5-inch tires.
we are in Red Canyon. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12 rigs. Okay, Jeff is flying his drone.
So over here guys, we're about to go up the steep section of the trail. Leading the way is Bad Dad or Rick and JT Rubicon. We have Ramil and his Chevy Colorado. This is the second time he's joining us on our trip. Over here guys, we have Kuya Rolly and his newly lifted Tacoma. I also made a few upgrades from our last trip. I installed a new front steel bumpers and rock sliders. We have Kuya Manny joining us again on this trip.
Go. Passenger.
Over here guys, we have Chris and his Toyota 4Runner. This is also his first time joining our group. Okay, next we have the mall crawler Mick. Just kidding bro, his vehicle is actually very capable. Next we have Nipoj's white TJ Rubicon. Behind the wheel is Camilla. Going up next is our leader for our second group with Lee and his 4Runner. Joining us for the first time is Steven and his Ford Ranger. Then we have Billy and his Chevy Silverado.
Billy, stay here.
Okay guys, let's see how an all-wheel drive vehicle handled this obstacle. I think we're just gonna send it and use some momentum to get up here. Alright, Kuya Jeff was able to get up the first one. Let's see if he can get up the second incline.
Okay. Alright. Give me a second. Alright, go. Send it!
He made it up with no problem.
You send it?
Yeah, I'm gonna send it. If not, I'm gonna get stuck.
Steve!
This guy's crazy.
I'm just right ahead of you. Yep, got a visual, thank you. Yeah, I'm on the move, Jeff. There's no water coming.
From here, we made a right turn to Broadshot Trail. The road here is mostly flat and sandy. The only thing you need to watch out for is getting some nasty pinstripes. Follow this trail and this will take you to the abandoned railroad bridge.
So me and Kuya Jeff is walking bridge. Walking slowly.
So if you want to explore this bridge, this is an easy to a moderate trail. I'm saying moderate just because of the incline earlier in the video. And if you plan on walking on this bridge, just make sure you're not afraid of heights. I really enjoyed today's trail day with Overland 4 Low. I want to take this time to thank Rick, Nipoj and Lee for leading us here safely, and to Kuya Jeff from Whatzs Productions for joining us on our trip.
Thank you for coming. Woo! Alright.
Hey,
Alright.
Alright. Thank you guys. Thanks for love. Thanks for the
Healthy strawberry cake.
Hey guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Like always, be safe and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Peace.